Okay, so now we are going to continue with reading, and we are going to talk about some of that intervention. So I went over here to my table of contents, and I'll re-go through these steps. So table of contents, I clicked on Unit 1, and then I came down here to the Reading Workshop Week 1 Suggested Weekly Plan. Now, if I wanted to work on intervention, I could click right here for the strategy, intervention, and on-level or advanced activities. So this is going to give me suggestions for teacher table ideas. And right here, they're going to list out some different options. So I could make a strategy group. I could use this intervention activity, which is what we're going to be looking at now. It gives suggestions for on-level and advanced. Over here, it also talks about conferring, which are conferences and different conference prompts you could use, and then also using the leveled readers. Here they give some ideas of while you're working at your teacher table, things that they could be doing. I have yet to access these centers, but they could independent read. Here's different literacy activities. But today we're going to focus on this activity. So right here it says use lesson 26 in the MyFocus Intervention Teacher's Guide. Now, you will get this as a physical copy, but we might not be there yet. So if you don't have the physical copies of this intervention book, then we are able to access this online. It is a little bit more steps than some of the other things, but I will show you how to find it. So if we go back into our main Solvus Realize, at the top there is some resources. I'm going to type right here, Intervention, Lesson 26, and then hit Find It. Okay, over here, you know you're in the right grade because it will just have 5th grade selected. Now I'm still in the 5th grade curriculum, so this is what it pulls up. So make sure you're in your correct curriculum. These are all the same, so we can click any of them. I'm unsure why it pulls up 10 versions, but they're there. So you can see we're still working in the informational text, which has been the unit that we're in. It gives you the directions, a passage, goes through the objectives, and then anything in blue is going to be prompts that the teacher could give. So it's things you could say if you want something more scripted, or it could be guiding for your conversation. And the lesson plan continues with different prompts, ways to monitor progress. If this happens, then you could do this. And it's an entire lesson plan for you to work on together at that table. They do have some student activities down here, so causes and effects that you can print. They have graphic organizers. So anything you would need for that small group intervention is listed here. So again, I just went to my resources, typed the word intervention and whatever lesson. I got this lesson. Right here, it says lesson 26. So it's a little more digging, but at least we have the resources there. And again, you will get a hard copy of this.